Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing our Ipsy adventure. Well, one of them. We've got the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. I've also got the Glam Bag Ultimate, but I'm going to do that in a separate video because I've got that and my add-ons, and there are so many products. So I don't want to make this video like 45 minutes long. So let's get into our Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month if you do it monthly, $10 if you pay for the year, and our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25. If you want to see all about my two Ipsys and go on this Ipsy adventure with me, just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So like I said in the intro, we are doing the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. From you guys who don't know what Ipsy is a subscription box. Subscription box. It focuses on beauty products. It does hair care, skin care, makeup, and some tools and things like that. So it's super fun. They've been around a really long time. They have an app. They have the Ipsy Shopper where you can get special deals. They have Ipsy add-ons where you can add more to your boxes, which we're going to do in another video when I do my Ultimate. They also have your choice items, just like BoxyCharm and the other ones. So they're an all-around service beauty subscription companies. I've been with them for quite a while, and I like Ipsy. I think Ipsy's been doing a lot better lately. They did have a kind of a dark period right when Ultimate came out, but they've been doing better, so let's get into it. I'm going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. As I said, this is $12 a month if you do it monthly. If you do it prepay for a year, it's for $10 a month. So let's get into this one. So first off, we get a bag with each one of these boxes, and this month, this is the bag. It's a gradient from like a mustard yellow to a pink. It's pretty cute. This one's made pretty well, and even though it's kind of like a pleather material, it's actually pretty well constructed this month. I've seen some ones that weren't quite as nice, and yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. It's got your standard kind of pull zipper, and it seems to have some sort of an insect in it from when I was taking pictures. So that's always fun. All right, so we got that. Let's take a look. We've got our card this month, and it's got the Get That Glow, which is their theme this month for our card. It tells us about the add-ons, like I was telling you guys before. It says the add-ons, the Ultimate Ipster Deal. It's going to be on 5/21 for the choice this month as well. So 5/21, they like to change it. It used to be the 24th, then it was the 23rd, now it's 21st. It seems like they keep changing it, but it's around that third week of the month. 9 a.m. on the 2nd when you do your add-ons. They're $3 for deluxe samples. You get 12 or 18 for your full size, depending on whether or not they think it's worth more. You can get 8 in each one of your boxes now, and it's free shipping, and you should tag Ipsy when you get them. And then inside here, instead of telling me about my products, I've got how to get the glow. I think I'm glowing pretty good today. What do you guys think? I did my normal routine where I use my Bionic face cream. I use my vitamin C primer from Ola Henderson. I've got like a gray smoky look today. I was kind of feeling the vibe of the Jeffree Star cremated palette. I have my gray lipstick on from Jeffree Star with some pink gloss over it to kind of mellow it out. So, but I think I'm glowing, and I'm wearing today Colored Rain's highlighter, so I think that's pretty good. But that's it for the glow. All right, let's get into what I got this month. So product number one, this is a brush from Farrah. This is a pink chrome brush. It is actually pretty cute. The one thing I don't like about this brush is it's got like that dirty pink tip, which kind of looks even worse once you start using it. And then the white, and of course white likes to stain. But other than that, it's really a nice constructed brush. It seems to be put together pretty well. The thing that holds the bristles on is nice. The bristles are soft. I have not had any issues with Farrah brushes, so I'm not unhappy. I like Farrah brushes. Good brush. Next, whoops. Next, we've got from Gold McFadden MD. This is the Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerist Facial Treatment. It's a little squeezy tube sample here, and this is basically an overnight facial moisturizer. There are overnight ones that I really, really like. This seems to be kind of like an overnight moisturizer, so I'm not as excited about it, but I will give it a try, and you'll see it in my empties. Next, we've got from Tarte the H2O Gloss. Tarte's a really cute brand. I really like this little component, even though it's a sample. They really like put the effort into making it look kind of like the, you know, the mom of the product. It is a little bit goopy. Let's see what it looks like. It's not a bad gloss, but it is kind of stringy. I can see that off the bat. Let's go ahead and put that down on the skin. Let it dry for a second. That's it. And it is sticky. I'd have to try it on the lips, but it does feel a little bit sticky. The color's not bad. It's pretty mauvey, pretty basic. But I'm not unhappy to get a little mini gauze. It's always great to throw out the pocketbook. All right, next we've got from Wander Beauty, and I actually have the full size from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I almost am done with. I actually used that today as my foundation. It is a dry one, so you really have to put something under it. But this sample, guys, like, are we seeing how small this thing is? Like, for real, like, again with the finger. Ipsy, give us a little bit more. Like, this is bad. But I like the foundation. I've used it before, so I'll get some use out of it. And that's 4, and this is our 5th item. We've got from New Body, we've got the Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Lips are big this month, right? Last month it was toner, this month it's lips. And this is what the scrub looks like. There's like barely anything in here, but I mean, with lip scrub, you don't really use a whole lot. I love Jeffree Star's lip scrub, but I'll get use out of this. This is always good to exfoliate your lips before you put on your lipstick. So that was our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I didn't hate it. I didn't love it. I was like, about it. But what I can tell you is this month I loved my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the $25. You get 5 full-size samples. And let's see, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've got a 6th item in here because one of these items I did as my points item. And of course, it's not going to tell me what item that was. Oh, no, I didn't. It was this one. Okay. False alarm. All right. So let's get into it. First off, the card is exactly the same as the Plus because there's no products in here. It's about the glow and the add-ons and everything we talked about. This is the box that you get. Last month, we got like a big sleeve instead of a box. I was like a tester for that one. It's kind of weird. We got a pouch instead of a bag. It was kind of weird. But we're back to our box here. And we got this bag. And I gotta say, you know, the Plus is supposed to give you a bigger bag, but it's smaller this month than the regular bag, which is kind of strange. This kind of strikes me as a change purse. I don't know why. It just feels that way to me. Does it feel that way to you guys? I like the tassel. It's super cute. It's very yellow. It doesn't necessarily match the bottom of this bag, which I wish it would, but it's cute, and I like it's a little bit upgrade, and I like the shape of this bag, but I wish it was a little bit bigger, but this is cute. I would totally use this as like a change purse, or like something to hold my cords in my pocketbook. It's made out of that same pleather material as the other bag, so it's not bad quality. It'll hold up for a little bit. All right, so let's get into our products. Let's start with this. It's the Tarteist Lip Paint. And this is from Tarte, and this, guys, this is my vibe on colors. Like, I love these chocolatey pink colors. Like, they are my absolute favorite. I do notice with Tarte, though, at least today, I'm getting a lot of, like, driedness from these, and I don't know why. I usually don't get that from Tarte. I think they might need to be shook. One thing I do, like when my lipsticks get a little dried out, I just kind of tap them on the back of my hand and just shake them about a little bit. It really gets them going again. But that color is like, right? Oh, that is a vibe. Love this color. Love this product. Really, really happy with that. Okay, next product we got is Beauty For Real, and this looks like it is a mascara. Beauty For Real is not a brand that I've always really loved. This one is like the smallest one. It's just a mascara. I gotta investigate, guys. Give me a minute here. High volumizing mascara. Guys, I gotta ask, what are you volumizing with that thing? I gotta know. I gotta see. It's like it's brushing them. Yeah, it can't even move the mascara that I already have on. It's good for getting little lashes at the bottom. But yeah, that is the most ridiculous one. No. Dud. Next. I do like mascaras, and I'm really happy I haven't had to buy one in forever, but that I can see more for like if you have little lashes that need to be popped up, that would be good for that to like comb them out. But if you want volume, you're not going to get it out of a wand like that. You need something with some weight on it, like the Better Than Sex, or the Tardiest Big Ego is my personal favorite. I just started the Damn Girl one, and I like that one a lot. It's got a big chunky one. I'm looking around to see if I have a mascara I can show you guys that would be better, but yeah, no, that's not it. All right, moving on. Mud Masky. After Mask Vitamin Serum pH Balanced, Extra Smoothing, Anti-Aging, Feeding, Protecting, Nourishing. So I think this is cool. You would put this on after a mask. I noticed after some of my masks, my face is sticky. So this might be a really good solution to that stickiness. So I'm excited about this. Whoops, I had the drops today. All right, let's see here. Let's take a sniff. It doesn't really have a smell. So it looks like a pretty standard white serum. So I'm excited to try it, see if it does anything good, but I'm happy about this. This is also made in the Netherlands, so it's pretty good. It is, however, not completely full. I can tell you that. It's probably how it's packaged. They have a lot of air in here, but you know what? I've never tried an after mask serum, so it might be something I never knew that I needed. Moving on to probably my favorite two things in the box, and that is from Colored Rain. This is one of their little mini palettes. And I really love Colored Rain as a brand. I love their highlighters, what I'm wearing, like I said today, as my highlight. And these are just super cute. Are they not, like, super cute? I really like the color story here. It's not the most complicated of stories, but I think that they do a good job just giving you something simple. I'm going to do some mattes, and I'll do a shimmer or two. But they definitely show up. They've got pigment, and I'll probably insert a picture somewhere around here. But they show up. It's cute. It's a great everyday palette. I think it would work just as good as that Too Faced one we got from the BoxyCharm Premium, and it was less expensive, and it'll probably still do the same thing. It's a little bit lighter of a vibe than the Premium one was, but nonetheless, give me a second here, guys. My wipe is fighting with me. Have you guys tried these? These are the Pacifica Rosewater ones. I think we got these in Ipsy, and I've been using them, and guys, oh my God, do they stink. Like, they are just so rose. Like, if you love rose, you'll love these, but if you don't love rose, oh my God, it knocks you out with how rose it is. But I love this Colored Rain palette. I'm very happy with that. So far, doing good, except for that mascara. I'm really happy. And the last item that we got is only gonna make me happier because it's from Nomad. I love Nomad, guys. Like, Nomad is one of those brands that I never knew that I loved until I got my first palette, or my first sample of palette, you know, like the single shadow. And then I got one, the grungy one that they have a couple months ago from Ipsy, and just, I am in love with this brand. But this one is an exclusive from Ipsy, so they did make this. This is the Sydney, Australia, and Sydney Sires, and it's got a blush, looks like blushes and bronzers in it, and they are super cute. It's a face palette, and guys, is that not like the vibe? Oh my God. So, I mean, just to give you guys an idea, they are nice and pigmented, buttery, I think this can work on a lot of different skin tones. But guys, and doesn't that go really cute with the eyeshadow palette? It's almost the same color story. So you can make like such a beachy, bronzy look, but look at these. And the palettes, like the pans are huge. So I love that. So going over this box for this month, I am so excited. The bag, I'll get some use out of. It's not the whole reason why I buy it, but I do like it. There's Nomad face palette. It's more like a highlighter palette. I love it. And bronze palette. I love that. The Colored Rain eyeshadow palette. Great travel palette. Great little quick, I just want to throw something on so I don't look like a crazy person. Perfect. Get some use out of this after mask serum. See if I like it. This mascara is a dud, guys. I'm not even going to give this away. I'm just going to throw it away. And this Tardiest lip color. Can't wait to try that one out. So I am super happy with this box. Ipsy, if you're listening to me, do this every month. This is the box I want to see. Love this. Winner. I think this wins over the BoxyCharm Premium. It walks over everything else that I've tried. So guys, highly recommend this. They're getting really good again. So I'm really happy with that. And that's how we land on this one. Guys, give me a like on the video if I did a good job. Give me an unlike if I didn't. Subscribe to the channel. Follow along. I do lots of different unboxings on the channel. I do beauty reviews. We talk about current events sometimes. I bring Teddy Bear, my dog, around sometimes. It's a whole lot of fun. Follow me on my blog, lifestyle.ella, and Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook, lifestyle.ella on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye now.